Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki ngā tuapapa, connecting to practices that nurture well-being. I mōhio koe, did you know? Coughing and sneezing into your elbow is one way to prevent spreading droplets that can cause flu-type illnesses. Be a kaitiaki for your whānau. If you need to cough or sneeze, do it in your elbow. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pū mo te ora to maintain well-being.